What's up guys, it's Anif here and welcome to another new video or welcome to another video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to manipulate colors in Photoshop. We're going to be retouching this image from scratch in Photoshop. What's up guys, it's Hanif here, and before I continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That's really important. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like the video, and also comment if you like to comment if that's what you're into. So yeah, we're going to start with the basic adjustments for this one before we go into the color manipulation and all that. Okay, all of this will be done in Photoshop. This is a camera raw filter. Yeah, so all of it is done here. I'm going to do my exposure, my contrast, basic adjustments here, and now highlight. So bring this down. Now I don't know what I want for this image yet. I'm not sure, but I'm just going to go ahead and edit this. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going for this one. I decided to make a video for this. Yeah, I think I will bring up my temperature a bit. Alright, that's okay. Yeah, I'll just do the basic adjustments here. I won't touch my colors here. Let's add a little bit of sharpening to this. Saturation, I think I like it where it is right now. Yeah, so I think I'm going to play with my camera calibration a bit and see where it goes. Yeah, so sometimes I just try out the camera. Ew, this is disgusting, sorry for that. Sometimes I just try out different camera profiles, some images, some lighting condition work well with them before I continue, so I'll just keep that as it is. And just adjust my camera calibration a bit. Yeah. So listen to my a little bit my reds. Yeah, I think I'll take it this way. Yeah, and then I did this other way for the blue. So this is before and after. This is just the beginning.
This is just the beginning.
What you're doing in camera raw, and we'll just go ahead and open this image. Yeah. Now as usual, we would fix all the blemishes on our skin. Yeah. Fix all blemishes. I usually use the spot healing brush for this, but to make this faster for like the whole video, the whole process, this works just as good. This works just as good if you want it to. Yeah. I'm just going to sample, and as we do it, we get to sample and select and sample, select and sample. Yeah. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm supposed to start from the top here. Yeah, before going down, but I'm breaking the rules. And if you guys have any requests of any video you would like me to do, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to provide. And I've made some promises of some videos that are coming, and believe me, they are coming. Yeah, so fixing our sweats here. Yeah, you're almost done with this. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles on Instagram and Twitter so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Turn on my notifications on every social media platform. Yeah. So I think so far so good. Okay. I think we've gone far with this. Alright, we're done with the face. Right over here and pick some of these. I will have to crop this image, yeah. Let's pick some of these. Alright, so far so good. This is before, after. Let's scrub this. Yeah. And duplicate the layer so that we can do some frequency separation. Yeah, as usual. Don't worry guys, I'm going to be doing a full frequency separation tutorial again, like a part 2 for this series. Yeah, so if that's what you're into, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. So yeah, we're using a mixer brush for this. I don't know why my brush is acting weird right now, but we're going to go on as it is. Zoom in and keep working on the skin. Let's increase it a bit. Yeah. Use it. I think we've done well so far. Yeah. Going with the frequency separation. Right, so far so good. I think we're done with the face. This one, let's move over here, increase the size of my brush. If I'm not sure how much this is covering. yeah. Right, so far so good. Right, this is good, this is good. I love how this image has turned out. Yeah, this is good, this is good. I love how it has turned out. The frame separation has done a lot, so I think I'll reduce the opacity a bit. Yeah, so it's not too much on the skin. Yeah, just somewhere around here is good. This before freaking separation and after. And yeah, all right, so what I'm going to do right now is whiten the teeth, the magic smile tool or whatsoever it's called, yeah, or the Retouch Academy panel. I could be doing all this from scratch, but sorry, I have to change it. I could do this from scratch, but it's going to take a long time, so that's why I'm just using the tools here, because I've got the tools and I'm using them. Don't worry, in future videos I'll be showing you guys how to do these from scratch. There are lots of videos, there are lots of video requests, so try to keep up with as much as I can. Alright, let me just zoom in and make sure it's alright. Zoom out. So that's how much I've done. I'm going to use this on whiten our eyes a bit because it's an habit. So yeah. Alright, so far so good. We're going to burn our hair just to darken it a bit. I think we haven't used colors on this yet, so yeah, I'm going to do that. I think I might have to sharpen these too, so yeah, let's do that. Okay, so far so good. Let's fix the edges. Alright, okay, I love what this has done. Yeah, so reduce the opacity a bit, not too much. Yeah, after that, yeah, let's go move to curves. I don't know, I won't be doing much here. So we just fix our points. Just playing around a bit. Yeah, we got that. I won't be lifting my blacks here. Let's go to my blues. I love doing this. Alright, I think that's what we're going to do here. you don't need to do much. Or let me just play my reds a bit. Nah, we don't want that. Okay, so just bring this down a bit. It has this little bit of blue in the highlights. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'll be doing the tutorial for curves soon. So yeah, this is how much the curves has changed this image. So far so good. And okay, as far as I'm okay, let me just, I don't know, I'll just do this a bit. So now what we are really here for is, so this selective color, what it basically does is it selectively colors your it does is do like for each, this is how you manipulate colors. For each of these colors you add colors to the other colors. Let me just show you how it works here. So as you can see, adding like removing cyan from my reds makes it all like this, adding cyan makes it like this. So I'm just going to play the colors and see what I like. So I don't like the reds affecting the skin tones obviously, so I'm using these now to like enhance a skin tone, like to actually give her like a better look on our skin. Yeah, now for the greens, the little bit of greens in the background, if you can see the changes that is happening there. So yeah, makes them pop a bit. On my reds, let's see before and after, before and after, before and after. So that's cool. That's cool. So this is how you like make your colors pop. Just play around with selective color. Now the blacks here adds a bit of contrast. Let me remove my blacks, so it removes the contrast. It adds a bit of contrast to the reds. Also our skin too. So yeah. So yeah, alright. Cool. I love how far this image has gone. Let me just adjust my saturation a bit for my yellows. Let's do -7. My reds -3, I guess. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Let me just show you guys the before and after. Before and after. Before and after. So if you like this video, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.